Okay, we're evaluating term sheets from private lenders, or otherwise known as hard money lenders, and we see this term, this acronym, LTARV. What does that mean? So LTARV means loan to after repair value. You take the total loan amount and you divide it by the after repair value, which is going to be determined by an appraisal based on the scope of work that you'll provide, saying what you're going to be doing to renovate the property. And your loan to after repair value for most private lenders is going to need to be no greater than 70 or 75%. So that means if you are getting a $70,000 loan and the after repair value is $100,000, that works, that's the limit. But if you wanted an $80,000 loan and the after repair value was $100,000, that's too high. The loan to after repair value is essentially your limiting factor for what you're going to be able to receive in terms of a total loan amount. Now, LTARV is commonly also referred to as ARLTV. Now I can see how this could be very confusing. So ARLTV just means after repair loan to value. It's the same exact concept. Some lenders use LTARV and other lenders use ARLTV. So hopefully that helps to clarify what this means. If you have any other questions, if you're looking for a fix and flip bridge loan, as we call it, otherwise known as a hard money loan, get a quote from Offer Market in under a minute and process online. You're 60 seconds away from a term sheet from us, and we'd love the opportunity to work with you. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment and let us know if there's any other concepts that we can help you learn as you continue your real estate investing journey. Thanks so much and have a great day.